Hello guys! So for today's video,
What are you going to do?
unboxing the gifts
Do-
for your gifts. And thank you sa mga nagbigay ng gifts and sa mga nagbigay ng cash gifts. Ayan po, mag-unbox na po si Stacy. Dahil pala may scissor.
I need scissors.
Ayan, be careful ha. This is from Happiest Birthday, Stacy Love, Tita Irene.
Yeah, what is that? Describe that.
It's a bag.
It's a
It's a
unicorn
unicorn.
bag. Nice.
Sabi mo, thank you, Tita Irene.
Thank you, Tita Annie.
So nice naman. Oh. Next, it's from,
Sabi mo, it's from ulit.
let's see, this one. Yan, walang name eh. This one is from, it says, Happy Birthday, Stacy from Ninang Luis.
Whoa, it's a big one.
Thank you, Ninang Luis.
Thank you, Nina.
Gante. Ay, ito na lang. It's a box full of goodies.
Oh, you show them your goodies.
Like,
Like, oh my God, so many goodies.
trolley, Oreo, yan, chocolate, Kinder Joy, and gummy drops. Wow, and meron pang and a
Notebook. Say thank you to the gift giver.
Thank you, Nina.
Okay, next naman is this one. This one. That is from, this is from
I know it.
Tito Jojo and Natalie.
Oh my God, Tito Jojo.
Oh my God.
Now,
This one is what?
Oh, you show it to the camera.
You show it to the camera. You remove it. Say thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, Tito Jojo.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Jojo.
Mami, impit. Yan. Parang ano eh. Puto bumbong.
Gift.
Next gift.
And then this one. Name.
Nasa loob.
What's this?
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a Polonia notebook and
You show it to the camera.
envelope.
Ganda mo, Stacy ah.
And then this one.
Thank you po. Ano?
Meron kong ano sobre kanina. And that's this.
What's that?
And a bracelet. Bracelet.
G. Lakasan mo, boses mo.
One. Kanina ba ito mga galing? Kanina ba? Oh, sila. Nagkopyahan. Ito ay notebook din. And may melody na envelope. Nice. May lots of envelope na.
And my little stars.
Yes. This one is, it says, Happy 7th birthday, Stacy. Your Ate's friend, Gab. Nice.
Wow, kay Tito Gab.
Ate's kuya lang yan.
Kuya Gab, brother.
Just open, cut it. Here. Okay, thank you, Kuya Gab.
Oh. Wow.
So pretty, so cute.
Thank you, Kuya Gab.
Thank you.
This one is from... Parang, kanino to galing? I can't remember. Ito ba yung kay Tita Jen?
I think so.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ayan, Tita Jen nga yata yan.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice!
So
Thank
comfy.
you.
Thank you, Tita Jan. So
This
good.
one. Happy 7th birthday, Stacy from...
Singa.
Okay.
Kumain.
Nakita ko.
This one.
I knew it.
Nakita ko na.
Ta-da!
Happy birthday, Stacy from Hannah.
Wow.
Thank you, Hannah.
Wow.
Thank you, Hannah.
And then you what?
And then yours.
Oh, teka. Akin na, may surprise yan kayo, ah.
Thank you.
I got a flower.
Hannah. Wow, Kuromi bouquet.
Wow, Kuromi bouquet.
Meron bouquet. Bouquet.
Oh, you show it to the camera.
Thank you, Ate Yowa.
I like it. It's liking.
This one
Ang
naman.
daming gifts.
To
Ano yun?
Juliana Stacy from Tito Mon Ibo.
Red wine.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Man. Sabi mo.
Thank you, Tito Mon and Tita Pen. Wow, nice color. Nice.
It's not for ate.
Sino yung mga ganito yung paper bag?
Okay, kila Celine yan.
Ayan, from Celine. Thank you, Ate Celine. Wow, and Savannah. Oh, nana. Then, this one. From Ate Mikay.
Wow, kay Ate Mikay.
Thank you, Ate Mikay.
Wow. Oh, for the nails.
Oh, merong surprise.
Paano mo si Mikay? Sinunda?
Doon siya.
Show it to the camera, bebe.
Oh, ang daming crafts ni Mikay. Nice. And she even created.
Wow.
Wow! Nice. So, show it.
Wow. Thank you, Ate
Thank you,
Mikay.
Ate Mikay.
1 hour later.
Thank you for the gifts. I love you all.